We got here some 3/0 hooks, some 6 cents 3/0 hooks. We also have 3.5 panoramas. I've heard a lot of people are getting catches on these. I personally have never tried it, so we're definitely interested in it. Some hog wallows, 5.8s. Green pumpkin juice. Actually, I never have luck with green pumpkin, but everyone else seems to. So, green pumpkin stroker craws, 3.3. They're an 8-pack. Honestly, 6 cents plastics are really awesome for the price and how much they give you. It's definitely worth it in comparison to some other companies that are a little more stingy with what they give.